Hi, hello, how are you? Good evening. Welcome to India's number one online platform, Gradeup. So please join me, everybody, quickly. We'll start the session. So the topic of today will be restudy the studied concepts. So whatever you have studied, now we will restudy, or you can say we will revise them through questions. Okay. So I would request to everybody, please subscribe the Gate channel, those who are new here, and please like the channel, and if it is possible to share with your friends, so please share it. Okay, and click on the bell icon after subscription, this one, so that you can get a notification whenever I'll take the class. Okay, now here this is all about me. I think everybody knows about myself. My name is Navneet Gupta, and 8 years of teaching experience, 92nd rank in GATE 2008, and here is many more now you can see. Okay, so now we will give you the questions. So here is the very first question in front of you. Question number 1. Now you please read out this question, then I will tell you about the question. Okay, I will give you a proper explanation. Quickly, everybody, what will be the answer? If you remember, this was the question which I gave you for the homework yesterday. Now, very good, the answer of this question. So here they are saying we have a table P in which we have A, B and C, and we have a Q in which we have C, D and E, and we have EF in one table, that is R. C is the primary key, here also, here and here E. Now here maybe I don't know where C is primary key or E is primary key. Maybe possible one can be the primary key and one can be the unique key. Right? Okay. Now here in this P you are having many tuples. How many tuples you have? So basically you have 200 tuples, and here also we have many tuples. How many tuples are these? 300 tuples. Now if you combine them, that is if you perform natural join, so definitely you will get only 200 tuples. Why 200 tuple? Because the matching will be done on the common attribute, and common attribute is C here, C here. So definitely as C is primary key, like for example you will be having 1 2 3, so here also it is unique, no duplicate value can be possible. For example 1 2 3. So basically we are focusing maximum means it can be match, it can be match, it can be match, but here we have only 200, here we have only 300. So if you will match, maximum will be 200 because repetition is not allowed in the queue. Okay, so only 200 will get. Now the next is this table R. So again, how many tuples this R table contain? It contain 100 tuples. Now if you join these two table using natural join, obviously the E is common, so on the basis of E you have to join, and because here E is making as the primary key and E is here also a unique key may be possible, so if you combine them, it has 300 and it has 100, right? So obviously 100 will be there. Now again, if you combine these two, which you are getting with this one and this one, so obviously you will get only 100 tuples, because 100 will be only matching. So the answer of this question will be option number A. 100 will be maximum tuple, because they are asking estimate number of tuples in the relation with the joining of this one. So you will get 100, not more than 100. If repetition can be allowed, so most probably we can get more. For example, if we have A, B, and let's say here we have C, D, and B is referencing this and C is the key, and 1 2 3, and here I have like 1 1 2 2 3 3 3. So it will be matching, it will be matching, it will be matching, it will be matching. So all these tuple will be in the output. So as many tuples as I will be having, as much I have in this first table, this table, right? But now because they have said key, key and key, because underline shows as the key. Here is the question number 2. Can you tell me the answer of this question number 2, everybody? Yeah, okay, Fatima. Tell me the answer of this second question. Which of the following schedules are conflict serializable? So if you see S1 and S2, and for example, if I focus on S1, so here we will be having T1, we will be having T2, and we will be having T3. So basically 3 transactions we are having, and in these transactions, in T1, if I have R2A, so reading of A, next is R1C, then this we have taken R1C, R2B, and then W2B, then next R3B, then R1A, then R3C, next W3C, and W1A, right? Okay, so now here if you try to make one cycle, that is T1, T2 and T3, we are making one diagram. So basically how many of these operations are conflicting one? Suppose RA, we are having RA and it is conflicting with WA, this one. So T2 to T1 there will be a H. Now is this conflicting with T3? No, this is completed. RC is not with T2, but it is making a conflict with T3. So T1 to T3. Now we'll take this one RB. So B is conflicting with this one no. WB, yes, it is making a conflicting T2 to T3. And similarly R of A, no. So basically because there is no cycle exist in the precedence graph, okay, so it is conflict serializable. So S1 is conflict serializable. Now if you try to make S2 also in the similar way, you will get there is no cycle in this also. So config serializable are both S1 and S2. So the answer of this question will be option number C. Correct? Okay. Now the next question, we will move on to the next question number. I hope it is clear. If it is not clear, then please let me know. Third question, B tree. Tell me the answer. Try to solve this. Okay, now I will explain. So please see how to solve this question. You should know what do you mean by B tree structure. So here I am first telling you B tree structure. B tree structure, how one node, normally we are talking about an internal node, how an internal node will look like. Okay, internal node will look like. So first of all, it will be a block pointer 1, then there will be a key and there will be a record pointer. So I call k1 and record pointer 1. It is a combination of these two. Then again I will be having block pointer 2, and then again I will be having k2 and record pointer 2. I think you have studied already this. Here we are just revising the concept and so on. And here it will be k. For example, let's say m is the order of tree is equal to m. So if m is the order, then I will be having k m minus 1 into record pointer m minus 1, and at the end we will be having one block pointer which I call pbm, right? So now if you take a generalized formula, so the block pointer, this will be the block pointer, so block size will be greater than or equal to how many block pointer, 1 2 3 up to m. So we have m block pointer. So what is the size of block pointer that we have to take, plus how many keys will be there, 1 2 up to m minus 1. So m minus 1 keys will be there, plus how many record pointers will be there. So 1 2 3 m minus 1 record pointer will be there, that is pr. Right, now this will be the generic or general formula. What you have to do, we have to use the values. Now block size, they have given block size is 512 bytes, should be greater than equal to m. We do not know m, even we want to find the m. So m into block pointer, I think they have given the block pointer is 5 bytes, plus now m minus 1, and then we can add k and pr. K means key size is 10 byte long, plus disk block is this one, and record pointer is 8 bytes, right? Okay, they have given this one. So 512 bytes is greater than equal to you can say 5m plus 10 plus 8 18m minus 18. So this 18 you can take it here, so it will be plus 18 530. So that means, and 18 plus 5, 23m is less than equal to 530. So from this you can calculate m is less than equal to 530 divided by 23. So definitely m is less than equal to, you will get something around 23.04, 23.04 you will get. Okay, so because m should be less than this one, so you cannot take 24. So basically you have to take m is equal to 23, because if you take larger it will create a problem. So the answer of this question will be option number B for Bombay. Right, everybody? Okay, now the next question number here is question number 4. Can you try this? Okay, now I have taken one table for example. So I have a student table, and now I have only one table. So student table is referred two times, and student table is renamed as row, right? So the same table you can take as R, and it will contain name N, and then for sex it will be X, and for marks it will be M. The same table like A, B. Okay, and the it is male, female, male, female, male. I have taken, right, and the marks will be same because the same table is being referred two times, and it will be 25, 30, 40, 50, and 45. Now here, first of all, what you are doing is you are from this one. If student is female, then you are taking her name. So from this student table you are taking the name of female student. So like B is female and D is female, so B comma D will be, we will be having minus. I don't know what I will do minus. First of all, I will have to check this one. Basically this condition is important. So for first one we have to scan the entire number of rows in R. That means sex is female. So here sex is male, right? So if sex is equal to female, then only we have to check. So leave it. Now we will move it to the next. Acha, sorry, sex is female. So here, not this one, sex is this one, and X is this one. So sex is male. So again, not matching, so leave it. Now this we have to take. Now sex is female. Okay, this condition we are checking. So yes, true. Now and x is equal to male. X is this one. Now we have to take this one. First one, yes, it is male, right? It is also true. And so first one true and true, and marks is less than equal to m. Marks is 30. Okay, 30 is less than equal to m. M means this marks, that is 25. So 25. So 30 is less than 25. No, it is false. So because the whole will become false, so we will move on to the next in the R table, that is from here to here. So because it is female, so leave it. Now move on to this one. Because it is male, yes. Okay, and then the next is marks 40. So 30 is less than equal to 40. 30 is less than equal to 40, yes, true. So because if we get true, so what I am taking p name, and p name is what, b. So I'll get b. Okay, now next I will move on from here to here. We will stop here at c. We will stop. No, nothing we have to see here. Now we'll move here. So sex is male, no, leave it. Now we'll move on to the D. Sex is male, sex is female, yes, true. Now again we'll start from entering, scanning here. Second is X is male, so only male student we are checking. Then the marks is 50 is less than equal to 25. First one, this one. So it, no, it is false. So again we'll not check this one, we'll check this one. 50 is less than equal to 40, no, so leave it. Then again we'll check this one. 50 is less than equal to 45, no, leave it. Okay, now we'll move on from here to here. It is male, not female, so first condition becomes false, will not take. So basically we are getting B in inner. So what we'll get, we'll get D, only D. So now name of girl student with highest marks. Highest marks definitely is female, 50. You can extend this with one, like for example, if we take one more, only just one more tuple, let me remove my image. If we take only one tuple, that is female, and let me think about this male, 25, 40, 45, and I take only 70, then actually you will get in the output D, and you will get it as F, DF. So name of the girl students with highest marks, no. Okay, not true. Name of the girl student with more marks than some boy student, not some. Okay, name of girl student with marks not less than some boy. No. So the answer is name of the girl students with more marks than all boy student. Yes, सभी से ज्यादा होंगे तभी we are getting D and F. Why? See, I'm not getting this B name. She is having 30, and definitely 30 is greater than A student 25. है ना? Because of some is we are not getting. So for all student, that is the reason I am getting D and F. I hope now it is clear, everybody. Now the next question number 5 is here. This question is of UGC NET Computer Science. Can you try this? Now, if we solve this question, the best normal form they are asking along with the set of FDs. So C, D, A, B, everything is coming here. Now candidate key. So if we try to find AB will be the candidate key. One candidate key is AB, है ना? AB, AB. Now one candidate key will be CD. Obviously we are able to see. So the prime attributes will be A, B, C and D. All are prime. So because all attributes are prime, so it will be in 3NF, right? So the answer will be option number B, third normal form. Question number 6. Tell me the answer of this question number. Everybody, please click on the like button. Now here, given the ABCD and these are the relations FDs. Now R is containing A, B, C, D, and we have divided R into R1, ABC, and then R2, BCD. Now AB goes to CD, so we can write AB goes to C here, C goes to A, we can write directly here, and B goes to D, we can write here. Now what is the key here? C and A is coming B, so AB will be the candidate key, okay, because single B will not give you anything. What is the key here? D is coming, BC is coming here, right, in this question. Now here they are saying key whether it is a lossless and dependency preserving. Dependency preserving means for example we have written ABC and we have written BCD. So here directly we are able to write AB determine C and C determine A. AC CB will also be the key, I think. CB BC is also key, okay. So now here you are having BC common and here BC common, so BC is the key here also and here also, so it is lossless undoubtedly. Now lossless we have found, dependency preserving we have to see, and directly we can write B goes to D. Now if we directly take only Deco AB determines C, we have got this, we have got basically we are concerned only with AB determine D or not. This is important. So AB determines C and C determine A, so AB B determine D. Now what can I write from C closer? Definitely CA. A goes to, what can I write from A? We have to take the A closer, nothing. And if we take B closer, we can write B goes to D here, already there, you know. And if we try to find C closer, so C will give you CA. We have taken. Now AB ले लिया and then BC. What can I write from BC? BCA. So BC determine A. Okay. And anything else we can write? So A we have taken B, C, A, B, B, C. Okay. Now B goes to D. C, what we can write from C? C, A. But A is not here in this table, will not take A. Then C, D. A, B, B, C, D. D determine will not give you anything. And if still if I take B, C, so you will get B, C, D. You know? So C, D, what can we write? Can we write C, D determine B? C to A, find out the C, D closure, C, D and A. Okay, no, and it's not anything. So here, because we want to find AB, determine D whether it is preserved or not, find out the AB closure. If you find the AB closure, you will get AB, right? And AB to C you are getting, and B किसी वजह से आ जाए, देखें A B is not coming in the right side. And let me check your answer. What are you getting? So B AB determine D we are not getting. Either AB determine B आ जाए तो काम बन जाए. B only non-trivial. Yes, so the answer will be lossless and not dependency preserving, right? So it is not dependency preserving. Now here is the seventh question. Tell me the answer of this question number 7. So the answer of this question, they are saying we have an instance of the relational scheme has distinct values for attribute A. Suppose we have A, B, C, and let's say we have a table. Like we have a table, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, and so many more. We have values for B and C respectively, like this one. Now if this is my complete table, what I am taking is complete table R. Now if I give you instance which contain only like A, B, C, and like if I give from here to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So can you conclude key A is the candidate key? Here A is repeating. I have given you only this rows, so we cannot conclude A is a candidate key for R, because R is the, they are saying instance. By looking instance we cannot say, right? So the answer will be false. If complete table is given, then only we can say. And this is the best example which I have taken, right? This is an instance and this is one table. Okay, now I will like to tell you about Big Republic date sale. and this contain GATE computer science and NILIT mock test and live courses. So you can use this code and you can now buy the course and flat 40% and plus 32% off on the Gradeup Super. Okay, so on 31st January we are going to conduct one examination, mock examination. So you please register for free and give the test, and then you will get your all India rank. And this is about green card and structured live courses. In the green card you will be able to give online test, and it is designed by toppers and based on the latest examination pattern. For more information you can contact on this number. Here is the question number 8. Tell me the answer of this question number 8. Hi, good evening, Amit Gunda. How are you? So tell me what will be the answer of this question number 8. I am also good, Amit. So you are preparing for GATE 2021 or 2022? Which GATE exam you are going to give? Okay, now I will explain this question. So a database of research articles in a journal uses the following schema. What we can do, we can take A, B, C, D. It becomes easy. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. The primary key is volume number. Okay, so volume is A, number is B, start page C, and end page D. And the following FDs. Suppose I have a relation R and I have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And here is the primary key they have given A, B, C, D. Now FDs also they have given. So let me write volume is A, number is B, start page C and D, and title is E. So first FD is A, B, C, D, determine E. Next volume is A and number B, determine year. Year is F. And A, B, C, D, determine price. Price is G. So next is AB, determine F, and one more FD is A, B, C, D, determine G. Okay, these are the FDs. The database is redesigned to use the following schemas. These are the schema. Means the table R, which contain A, B, C, D, E, F, G, you have divided. Okay, so now you have divided this like volume A, B, C, D, and title is E and price is G. So in R1 A, B, C, D, E, G, and we have R2 volume is A, number B, and year. Year is F, ABF, ABF. Okay, now in the next line, which is the weakest normal form that new database satisfies, but the old one does not. So can you try old one? This one is in which normal form? So the primary key is ABCD and prime attribute are ABCD, right? So but this AB determine F. Are you able to see? AB determine F. So AB is the subset of key, that is ABCD, and determining F, that is a non-prime. So obviously this is in 1NF only. Correct? Now new database. So FDs we can write like A, B, C, D determine E and A, B, C, D determine G. Combinedly I am writing. Now here A, B determine F. So what is the key here? A, B, C, D. है ना, key. And what is the key here? AB. So now how many common attribute we have? AB. So AB is the key, right? So it is in actually BCNF. Also it is in BCNF. But now they are seeing the weakest normal form, not the highest. So if you see, it is in 1NF. So obviously it will be in 2NF. It will be in 3NF. So weakest normal form is the 2NF. So what is the weakest normal form of this question they are asking? So the weakest normal form will be option number B, 2NF. Okay, not the highest, because this satisfies 2NF and this satisfied only 1NF. I hope now it is clear. Here is the question number 9. Can you tell me the answer of this question? Yes, Raj. Now tell me the answer of this question, which is on the slide. Now I will explain this question. So here in this question they are saying we have transaction like T1 containing 4 operations, T2 contains only 5 operations and T3 contains only 2 operations. So if you remember one formula, total number of schedules, how many schedules we can have, total number of schedules possible, right? So let's say T1 is having N1 operation, T2 is having N2 operation, T3 is having N3, and so on. I am writing, suppose I have N transaction and it contains Nk operation. So the formula will be N1 plus N2 plus dot 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 plus Nk. Okay, all factorial divided by individual, N1 factorial into N2 factorial into N3 factorial and so on, N3 factorial. So this is the formula which you should remember. Now in this question they have given T1 contain 4 operation, T2 and T3, the whole factorial divided by individual factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial and 3 factorial. So I think you remember how to solve it. 12 factorial divided by 4 factorial, 5 factorial and 3 factorial. So can you tell me what will be the thing? Acha, sorry, 4, 5, 2. So 11 factorial. 11 factorial and this will be 2. By mistake I have written 3. It will be this one. So now 11 factorial, and then you can solve it 4 factorial, 5 factorial, 2 factorial. So directly I have already calculated it. So I will tell you the value of this will be 6930. So here how many total you are having? 6930. So the answer of this one will be this one. Now serial schedule. So for serial schedule, if you remember the formula, if we have how many transaction? N transactions, so it will be N factorial. Jitni transactions hoti hai uska factorial. So how many transactions we have? 1, 2, 3. So 3 factorial means 6. So it will be 6, and definitely non-serial will be obviously 6930 minus 6. You will get the non-serial schedule, and that is 6924, right? So this will be the answer of these 3 questions. I hope now it is clear to everybody. Very good. Now the next question, we'll go ahead with the question number 10. Can you tell me the answer of this question number 10? Okay, so the answer of this question will be, I will explain. We have relation R we have a foreign key. Let's see, we have R and we have A, B, C. Let's say A is the primary key and here S contain like X, Y. Okay, X is the key. Let's say C is here foreign key and X is primary key here and A is primary key here. So option number A, carefully dekho. Each tuple in R is related to one or more tuple in S. No, we, for example, 1 2 in S we have 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 1 we can have, yes. 1 2 3 we can have, no, because these two values are not possible, right? Because we have only with one value related. So A is not the correct answer. Each tuple in R is exactly one tuple in S. Yes, we can say somewhere, but option number C is each tuple in R is related to 0 or 1 tuple. 0 means, for example, we have 5, 1, null. Null means it is not related to any of these value. Yes. So null value in a foreign key is 100% allowed. So C option is more appropriate than B, Raj. Okay. So that is the reason the answer will be C. Each tuple in R is related to 0 or more, to nahi hoga na. It will be either 0 or it will be 1 or exactly 1. So C is more appropriate because 0 means null we can have. So the answer of this question will be option number C. I hope now it will be clear, everybody. Now here is the 11th question number. Can you tell me what will be the answer? Okay, Raj, let me read out your question. अगर उल्टा करें, so each tuple in S is related to one or more. नहीं, उल्टा मतलब फिर foreign की तो फिर वो हो जाएगी ना foreign की, राज. In the previous question, if you focus, कि उल्टा करने से फिर वो फॉरेन की भी तो चेंज हो जाएगी ना, प्राइमरी की और फॉरेन की, तो कॉन्सेप्ट तो वही यूज होगा. And in this question number 11, I have a table R. Okay, I have R where A select R and S. Same table to nahi lag rahi. Okay, so I have R dot A, let's say, and I have S dot A. 1 2 3 1, and in this let's say 1 1 2 2 3 3 4. So if you perform this one, select star from A, select S dot A. So inner one, what we'll get? We'll get 1 1 2 2 3 3 4, all will get. And now A 1 is matching with 1. Okay, it will be selected. Let's say 5 we also have, है ना? So 1 is matching with 1, so 1 will be printed. 2 is matching, will be printed. 3 1. Only this will come as the output of this query which I have written here. Select r dot star from r comma s where r dot a, okay, r comma s means all the combination you have to take, like 1 1 1 2, you know, then 1 1 again, 1 2 again, so many combinations. So what is this? They are asking which one of the following queries always gives the same answer as nested query. So the answer of this question will be option number C. Okay. Here is the question number 12. Can you tell me the answer of this question number 12? SK respectively पूछ लिया जाए तो 1 second here. Yes, multiple. So this one may be connected with multiple, many. So 0 or more. तब आंसर होगा D. मतलब each tuple in S can be related to 0 or more tuple in R. तब ये होता है ना, each tuple in S यहाँ चेंज हो जाता है, is related to 1 or more tuple, क्योंकि 0 और more, 0 मीन्स हो सकता है 1 किसी से भी कनेक्टेड ना हो, और हो सकता है 1 बहुत सारे टपल से कनेक्टेड हो, ठीक है, इसीलिए इसका आंसर फिर चेंज हो जाता। राज, नाउ टेल मी द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. हेलो विजय, कल्याणी, टेल मी द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 and everybody please like the session, click on the like button. Yes, Kalyani, session is very useful. Now here, let me solve this question. Consider a sorted file ordered on a key field consisting of 1024 blocks. So suppose we have a block and they are saying we have many blocks and so on. And these blocks are 1024. And in this we have some files. Now it is sorted. The number of blocks access required to insert a record. So basically the number of blocks we have to access. So in which block you want to insert, that they are asking. So you can use binary search here, and a binary search concept you can use easily. So it will be log base 2 1024. So it will be 10. So basically only 10 will be required, not 11, because they are asking number of block access. required. So then, for example, I found the record has to be inserted in this block. So I'll insert it, right? Now, before moving to the next question, I will like to tell you about Vision 2022. And this is a batch number 3 which we have launched for Vision 2022. And 550 hours of live class will take 5000 practice question, 100 plus mock test, 100 plus study notes. And this course is ideal for second year and third year. For more information, you can contact on this number, and in all the batches, here is the faculty list who will teach you in this batch. And in gate 2020 we have this achievers. Now here is the question number 13. Tell me the answer of this question number. Okay, now I will explain the question. So actually this is a direct question and they are asking which of the concurrency protocol ensure both config serializable and deadlock free. So basically 2PL, if you remember, 2PL ensures about conflict serializability, but actually, but not ensures deadlock free. So obviously this 2PL will not be the correct one. And if we talk about the, that is first algorithm, second is timestamp ordering protocol. So it ensures both conflict serializable plus you can say deadlock free. So the answer is option number B for Bombay. The answer is B. Second one only. Okay. And please remember in the conservation 2PL, we have no deadlock. But they are asking about the basic 2PL locking and we have to assume basic 2PL. Correct? I hope now it is clear to everybody. Now the next question is here, 14 question number. Can you try this? Yes, tell me. Do it quickly. 1 more minute only I am giving. Very good. Now I will solve this question. So as you can see, we have to make the precedence graph. Like for example, we have T1, T2 and T3. Okay, T1, T2, T3. Now T1, T2 and T3. Now we'll see the conflicting operation. Read of X and read here write X. So this operation is making a conflicting one, this one. T1 to T2 we will make one edge. Right? Okay. Now the next will be, we have to take read y, no conflict, read y write X, no conflict, read y write X, not no conflicts. Right. The next is read y and write y. Yes, making a conflict with this one and this one. So T3 to T2. Now next operation is write y and write X, no conflict. Over. Write X and write X, T1 to T3. There will be an edge. Right. Now write X and write X, T3 and T2, T3 to T2 already there. Right. Okay, because there is no cycle, so it is conflict serializable. And now because it is conflict serializable, so what we will do, we will perform the topological sorting. And if we perform topological sorting, we'll get the serialization of the schedule. That means on which transaction we are not getting any edge. So on T1 we are not having, because on T2 we have, T3 we have. So first we'll take T1, and when we take T1 we have to remove it. So we have to remove it and also the corresponding edges like this one and also this one we have to remove. Now from after T1, the which transaction there is no edge on which, so actually T3, T2 पे तो है, so we'll take T3, and now T3 will be removed and its edge. Now the remaining is T2. So after T3, T2 will be there. So this will be the, you can say, serialization of the schedule. So T1, T3, T2. So the answer of this question will be option number A. Right? I hope now it is clear, everyone. So we will move on to the next question number 15. Tell me the answer of this question number. I will give you only 2 minutes. Now here we will solve this question. So we have T1, T2 and I think only T3. So I am taking one larger line so that I can create many of them. So first is R1 X, then next is R2X, then W1X, and then R3X, and then one more is W2X. Right? Okay. So now is there any conflict? Because they are asking you which one of them is conflict serializable. So we have T1, T2 and T3. So R of X and W of X, yes, making a conflict from T1 to T2. And now R of X and right of X. So T2 to T1. So obviously cycle exists in this. So not a conflict serializable. Don't check others one because it is not a conflict serializable. Now we'll focus on the B. So R2B, I'm taking dark line. This is over. You know? So R2X and then R1X. Now the next W2X and R3X and then W1X. So now again if I make T1, T2 and T3, so Rx, Wx, Wx, Ws as again T1 to T2 and T2 to T1. So same cycle exists, so it is not a conflict serializable. Now the next third R3X and R2X, R1X and W2X and W1X. Obviously you can see this is making conflicting and this is making conflicting. So again R3 matlab C will not be the correct one. Now if we see T1, T2, T3 about D, obviously we do not need to check. The answer will be option number D undoubtedly. Okay, everybody? Clear? Yes. Any doubt till here? Please let me know. Then we'll go ahead. And everybody, please click on the like button. Very good. Correct answer. Raj, Manthan, Manthun, या Manthan, Miss Nahatkar, Kalyani. Okay. Now we'll go ahead with the next question. Question number 16. Here is the question of B plus tree. Let me see how many of you tell me the correct answer. Now I will explain this question. So first of all, B plus tree we are talking about. You should know what do you mean by non-leaf node structure and then leaf node. So in the B plus tree we are talking about non-leaf node structure. In the non-leaf, that is internal node, है ना? You can say internal node. And in the internal node, you will not be having any record pointer, but you will be having block pointer. So I call block pointer 1, then key 1, then block pointer 2, key 2, है ना? And so on. So this will be like non-leaf or internal node structure, and here the key will be up to, let's say, the order of this order is m, because the order of non-leaf and the order of leaf will be varying. So order is, let's say, m. So it will be last will be km minus 1 and one more block pointer pbm. Right, this is non-leaf structure. And now if you try to solve this, block size will be greater than equal to how many block pointer? 1 2 3 up to m. So m into block pointer plus how many keys we have? M minus 1 key. Now block size is 512 bytes, is greater than equal to m. I don't know, I have to find pb, block pointer size. So data pointer and block pointer 5 byte plus m minus 1. What is the key size? So data pointer is 8 byte and key size is 10 byte. So 10 byte. Now 512 is greater than equal to 5m plus 10m minus 10. So you can take this 10 here. It will be 522 and 10 plus 5 15m. 15m is less than equal to 522. So m will be less than equal to 522 divided by 15. Isn't it? Yes. So if you solve it, you will get 34.8. 34.8. So means m should be less than equal to 34.8. So definitely we cannot take 35. We have to stop at 34. So the leaf node and non-leaf we have found. So it will be either this one or this one. So A and C cannot be the answer. You know? So basically m value will be 34. Now the next is, I am talking about the leaf node. I hope it is clear till here. Can I continue this question here? So leaf node structure I am talking about. Leaf node structure, and please remember the PDF file will be provided you on the Telegram link. So you please join Telegram channel which is given after this video. Below the video you can find, and I will give this PDF on the Telegram. Leaf node structure we are talking. So basically leaf node will contain the record pointer but not block pointer. Only one block pointer will be there at the end. So for example, if I take order of leaf node is q, so it will be key 1 and record pointer 1, key 2 and that is a block pointer, only one block pointer, right? So now what will be the block size here? Formula will be like block size should be greater than how many keys? Q, qm, and how many record pointers? Again qm, qk. I have written m here. One is key and one is record pointer, है ना? So q into m plus q into record pointer pr and plus one, only one, so 1 into block pointer. Now block size is 512 bytes given to you, and then what is the value of this one? Please take care for this one, and it will be q into the 10 plus q into record pointer, data pointer, record pointer 8 byte plus block pointer 5 byte 5. So if you add 512 is greater than equal to 10 plus 8 18q, and this plus 5 you can take it here this side, so it will be actually 507 and 18. So q is less than equal to 507 divided by 18, right? 507 divided by 18, and q will be lesser than 28.16. So obviously q will be 28. So 28 and 34. So answer will be option number B, 28 and 34. I hope now it is clear. Everybody, B is the answer. Manthan correct, Raj correct, but many of you have not given. No problem. So everybody, please click on the like button quickly. And if you are having any problem, please let me know. Then we will go ahead. Is there any problem in this question? Can we go ahead? Okay, so now we will wind up the session, and before going or before winding up the session, I would like to request you, please click on the like button. And this is the fee structure of the Gradeup, and here we are having discount, as you can see. Okay, we are having discount on Republic Day, and it is only valid till I think 27th. So please subscribe the Gradeup channel and also buy the course. And here is the contact number and email ID through which you can contact us. And now we will wind up the session, right, everybody? So I wanted to know if you have, and please don't forget to give 5-star rating on the Google Play Store. Okay, so I will wish you a good night and a sweet dream, and I will wait for your doubt or some query. If you really want to ask, please ask me. Ha Raj, yes, I will take more session. Same session I'll take. And tomorrow I will be having the same session at 7 p.m. with some new questions, and most probably I'll start discrete maths. Maybe possible I'll see my schedule whether it is in DBMS or DBMS. Then I will let you know, which session will be on which subject, either DBMS or discrete maths. That will see. So everybody, please join me tomorrow at 7. Okay, 7 p.m. Any other doubt you have? Then please let me know. Otherwise, I will wind up the session in 1 minute. Okay, bye bye, good night, and thanks for coming, and keep practicing and keep smiling. Take care.